Teacher tip 17. Film yourself teaching. You will see all the things you do well and things that you don't exactly get right. These days, everybody is on film, and we need to get more comfortable in front of a camera and also to hear our voices. For me, it's the same. The first time I got in front of a camera, I was very shy and I avoided it. Like most of you, the first time I heard my voice, I absolutely hated it. But I started filming myself teaching, and I started filming myself like this. I can definitely say that my teaching has improved because I could see myself through my students' eyes. I could see the way that I spoke to them. I could see these small things that I did in class. I can see the way I moved around. I could see my body language. I learned so much from filming myself. We all think that we know ourselves, but we should see ourselves through our students' eyes. Also, you can hear the words that you use a lot. For example, for myself, I have certain words that I say over and over again. But by being conscious of it, I can improve the vocabulary that I use in the classroom. Teacher tip 18. Pick fights on your home turf. Never argue with students where they can put on a show. Delay conversations and ask them to speak to you later, privately, after class. Don't argue in front of a crowd. As teachers, we sometimes see students doing something in public or outside of the classroom. And when you speak to them, they're in front of their friends and they want to look tough. So they'll try and argue with you. And you don't want that. Let's say you see one of your students doing something that they shouldn't be doing with their friends. So you go over and you say, Jimmy, that's wrong. Please stop doing that. To look tough in front of his friends, he'll backchat or he'll try and argue. Instead of doing that, tell him, Jimmy, that's wrong. Let's continue this conversation after school in my class. Please come and see me. And walk away. You don't want to start an argument with your student in front of an audience. And this can happen in class too. Let's say there is a student and they want to start an argument. Just tell them, listen, these are the rules. This is what I want you to do. If you want to talk about it later, you can see me after class. But right now, let's get back to the task at hand. When students are in front of their peers, they want to look tough, or they don't want to come out in a bad light. So don't give them the opportunity. Delay it where you can talk to them on your home turf. You can talk to them after class in your classroom, or you can see them somewhere else. Number 19. Never let them see you sweat. If they know they can walk all over you, they will. Especially for new teachers, students are going to test you. They're going to say things to you. They're going to act out. They are going to try and press your buttons. Don't allow them to. Or even if they do things that make you feel upset or angry or sad, don't show them. Listen, we said this before. You want to be the strength in the classroom. You need to be the adult. You cannot let younger learners press your buttons. You cannot let them influence your emotions. Even if you do feel defeated, don't show them. Put on a mask and continue with class. That is also what it takes to be a professional at anything, is you shouldn't let your emotions get the better of you, or at the very least, don't show students that it is having an effect on you.